Hello, I am Nasheia Smith, and I handle the estate planning and probate cases here at Southern Maryland Law, along with my partner, Dave Gormley. This video tells you who I am and explains everything that will happen when you contact us about your estate planning or probate matter. Our firm has a combined experience of 30 plus years, representing thousands of people in Charles County, Prince George's County, Calvert County, St. Mary's County, and all across Maryland. We have seen a lot. I know how the system works and how the courts work, and I'll be happy to help you with your estate planning or probate matter. I believe one of the reasons people retain me over some other attorneys is because my goal is to always help you navigate this emotional process with compassion and minimize the amount of anxiety and stress with the process. And our staff is the same way. We purposefully hire nice, helpful people to work here. Some other estate planning law firms don't work that way. They make it all about them and treat you like another case file number. We would never do that. When you call us to make an appointment, you will talk to my paralegal first. She will schedule a time for you and I to talk, which can be in person, over Zoom, or by telephone. Your convenience is one of our top priorities. I recommend you take a look at our free legal guide to wills and estate planning in Maryland before you come in. It provides a good overview of estate planning in Maryland, what you should bring to our meeting, and what you can expect to happen. In fact, there's a lot of free legal advice on our website. It is one of the things we pride ourselves on. Feel free to check it out for yourself. You will learn a lot. When you and I meet, I will start out by asking you if you completed the questionnaire, and we will go over it together. Next, I will ask you if you have any questions or concerns that you would like to address. You may have questions such as, should I open up a trust or should I have a will instead? How many personal representatives can I list in my will? What happens if I move out of state? How often should I review my estate planning documents? Does my personal representative have to open up a probate case even if I have a will? I will answer all your questions during the consultation. Then I will give you a timeline regarding the next steps in the process. I look forward to you contacting us today for a consultation so we can begin working together. Just give us a call or shoot us a message on the website, and my staff will schedule an appointment for us to talk. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meeting you soon. Until then, take care.